Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Taria Vision Avant, and I'm super excited to have you guys here. Hopefully, you're here because you want to learn how to be able to make at least $500 a month with your own planner business. Okay, like creating your own planners from journals, calendars, etc., etc. Well, guys, I've been able to do that, and it wasn't something that required a whole lot of effort. It was actually pretty easy to do, and I want to show you guys exactly the steps that you need to get started on so that you can have your planner done. And the cool thing about it, guys, is that in this webinar, I'm going to teach you some things, but you're also going to be able to learn how to get your planner done in a matter of a week. Like, it doesn't take a whole long time to do this. It is very simple to do, and I want to show you. All right, so make sure you go ahead and register. Don't miss the webinar now. Don't miss it. You know, a lot of times people will register for webinars and not make them. I do my best to make them as engaging and interactive as I can and make them easy and fun so that you're not bored. And another thing I'm going to instruct you on is, please, guys, don't be distracted. So when you're watching this webinar, pay attention, okay? You do not want to miss any valuable information that can help you make some money. So we talk about 500 plus a month, all right? So register for the webinar, and I'll see you guys there. Deuces.